take a little tour here at Lou's Electronics. Off to the right, we have our sales of speakers and car stereos, audio equipment. Over here we have boom boxes, answering machines, and Citizens Band radios. Up on the wall we have some car antennas and CB antennas. And over here we have the secretary. And over here we have televisions for sale. A little bulletin here on television. Cordless telephones in the background. Here are items waiting to be picked up that are completed. Customers' items. Now, off to our left, we have parts that are packaged for customers for sale. All types of audio patch cords, headphone extensions, telephone jacks, cable TV splitters, knobs, wire, VCR belt kits, all types of audio and video accessories. In these cabinets here and here, and all of these smaller drawer cabinets are transistors, integrated circuits, and resistors for servicing televisions and stereos and just about anything electronic. And down here below the shelf were tubes, hundreds of different types, also knobs, different types of wire, RG59, RG58. Now we're entering the service shop. This bench here is basically the bench that the televisions that come in are placed. Televisions that are also disassembled and waiting for parts. If there were any consoles in here, they would be sitting under the bench right there and in the middle of the floor here. This cart here is usually for burn-in testing of home stereos after they've been repaired. Also, there's a power supply here for operating mobile radios. We also have facilities for testing and repairing mobile radios. Up on a top shelf we have some test equipment, some more FM test equipment, test equipment for servicing Citizens Band radios, IF alignment. Here we have several power supplies and more test instruments. This is the main service bench here. We have more pieces of test equipment, a scope and stereo analyzer up top, a stereo amplifier for testing turntables and tape decks, VCR, use the video and audio inputs on that for checking cameras. Same thing with the monitor television there. This is the test bench where most of the repair work is actually done. The items will be brought in, disassembled there, and repaired there. Okay, this is the run bench. Televisions that are repaired are played here on this bench for a minimum of 3 hours. Usually 6 to 8 hours they're played here after they're serviced to make sure that no other problems besides what was repaired crops up, so we don't give a customer back a TV and then several hours later something else in the TV quits. So all TVs that leave here are run tested for any other problems. I have some new picture tubes here on the floor. Back through again toward the sales area. And here there are more televisions that are piled up and awaiting repairs. Some of them are televisions that are unrepairable, that are saved for parts, but most televisions here are repairable for sale. Here we have the shelf, of which smaller items like cassette decks and the like are placed after they're completed with the customer's claim number and tag. And at the bottom we have mostly items that customers brought in that weren't worth repair. And this is where they're all piled up, destined for the garbage eventually. Quite a bit of this type of stuff piled up here. I'm looking inside the shop is my service van, which seems to be covered with snow. Quite a bit of it. There's the company name. On another note, televisions that are disassembled that are waiting for parts and for approval of estimates. The backs sit underneath this bench here where they cannot become stretched and or damaged. It saves room on the benches. In the storage room, and we have the hot water heater and the furnace and the shop vacuum cleaner and a few TV chassis. You can tell how well that the landlord had the building repaired. Never bothered to install insulation or an inside wall. Very secure. And of course, if you can't guess, bathroom. Even has running water. Yeah, let's check the view out the back window here. Oh, we can see that the landlord's kids have made themselves a little house out there. And the landlord's swimming pool is covered with snow. Kind of yucky weather out here.